Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to get battle points faster in Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first way is by using a double BP card. Tap on Inventory, search for the double BP card. This double BP card will be available for only one day. After you activate it, this card will double the battle points that you obtain in every match you play. To activate it, tap on the Use button. Select the amount of BP card that you want to use. Then tap on the OK button. Now your double BP card has been activated. The second way is by exchanging trial cards with battle points. Tap on Trial Cards. Here you can see that there are multiple trial cards. Exchange the trial cards having a battle point icon at the top right corner of the card. To exchange a card, tap on the card that you want to exchange. Then tap on the Use button. Tap on the OK button. Now the third way is by Lucky Spin. Go to the shop. Then tap on Draw. Before you draw battle points, make sure you have enough tickets to use for one draw. You will have to spend 20 tickets. To speed up the process, you can tap on 5x to draw faster. And that's how you can farm battle points faster in Mobile Legends.